Okay, look at the shoes. Nice.
He described the nursing school as a challenging experience but doable.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another beautiful video. I feel like we really need to share this moment with you guys. So we were invited to...
This is a San Antonio Indian Nursing Organization. They have 4th annual gala.
Yeah.
So they're celebrating 4th anniversary. So they invite people. The main reason I'm here, 2 days ago I received an email from them. So I'm getting award and I'm getting scholarship. These are two things going on.
So excited, guys. And
also I'm a public relations in the organization from next term.
Ram is part of the organizations and this is really awesome. I feel like we really need to share this with you guys. Yeah, we just wanted to contribute a lot to the community and this is the reason why we're here.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of volunteering. I don't know if you guys see it. I know a couple of videos before. You guys seen, I did a volunteering. I'm really thankful for this community and this organization recognizing me, doing an awesome job.
I'm trying to lose weight, guys. It's been so.
It's okay.
I still have that tummy right there, but yeah, this is how. Yeah, Ram looks really perfect. I love it. He looks very gentleman. Oh, okay. Look at the shoes. Nice. That's really good. Comment down below and let us know how Ram looks. I love everything. This is like first time seeing him wear like that.
Yeah.
After
a long time actually. After a long time.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So we are heading in there right now. So there's gonna be a lot of people. We might record few things and yeah. All right.
Okay.
All right, guys. So yeah.
Oh, we look good.
All right.
Guys, this is a beautiful day. Look at the music in the background.
Really calm, relaxing.
This is like after a long time. This is kind of a relaxation for us.
We need it.
Yeah, we went yesterday. Where where did you go yesterday?
It was Diwali in downtown San Antonio. It's one of the big events that happens every year here. Everything is organized, so we are just started right now. There's people coming in, so yeah, it's more classy, I would say. It's really great. And
yeah, it's more elegant.
Yeah, and I didn't know that my dress matches with all the decorations.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know that, so I was just like, wow, gold and black. I'm wearing gold and black too.
The main reason I'm saying this is a beautiful, yesterday we went to the Diwali function with our kids, walking around, taking a video. I was looking like, you guys can see the video, I was looking like there is no even wearing nice suit, but today I'm wearing a suit.
You look perfect.
Look at this suit, gentleman, like some nice clothes and everything. Yeah.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा.
In this view, darkness represents evil. By lighting a lamp, the lamp becomes a form of fire, or tej in Sanskrit. The lamp burns, not to be the light itself, but merely as a message to remind all who are present of peace and of positive brightness. Let the feelings of love, kindness, compassion, and a gentle spirit always be reflected in our actions.
So March 25th, 2019, a group of founding members, 5 of them that are here today, met together and said, let's go and bring all the Indian nurses together. And that is the history. Mr. Ramgnanasekar is final semester of the nursing school at the UT Health Science, and he is expected to graduate in 2022 December. Yeah, he's pursuing nursing as
for the new team. Vision and values of the organization to excel our professionalism and visibility in the United States of America and beyond.
Thank you. And that concludes our entertainment.
Alright guys, finally we are done. It's around 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that it was really a blessing and delighted to be in this event.
And it was so much recognition for
Yes.
me, and you guys seen me, I was 3 times in the stage.
It was super excited to see him walking and
I know.
accepted the award.
Yes guys,
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.
we look good.
You look good as always.
Yeah,
All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.
bye bye guys.